Hello everyone and welcome back to part 5 on how to create a Among Us type game on Roblox. Before we start, I just want to say thanks for the support and shout out to Amanda Dittmer and Jared Rim. So let's start. Okay, so firstly we're gonna disable the chat, add the local script to start GUI, rename it to disable chat, and then we're gonna write a game on get service starter GUI set core GUI enabled chat false. Okay, so this should disable the chat. As you can see, we don't have the chat button, so that's good. And now we're gonna write a script that will drop the player's body when they die. But firstly, let's try making the character look better. Drag it into workspace. Drag our starter character from starter player to the workspace, and we're gonna look for a capsule on meshes on the toolbox. Let's make it look like a Among Us character. So let's look for a capsule. I think this one looks good. Yeah, this one is pretty good. Scale it down. Drag it inside of our starter character. Rotate it 45 degrees. Rotate it like that and drag it here. Scale it down until it fits our character perfectly. Let's try making it like that. Center it. Where is our capsule? It's here. This looks pretty good. Okay, so now make the player's hands invisible. Right hand, look for right hand and right lower arm and right upper arm. Left hand, left lower arm and left upper arm, and make the transparency, set it to 1. Scale this character down a bit, I think. Scale it down and make this bigger. I think this looks pretty good. Duplicate our rename it to capsule. Duplicate it. Rename the duplicated capsule to glasses. Make it blue. Scale it down. I think this looks pretty good. Okay, so this should be our glasses and our capsule. Make sure that they are not anchored and that kink light is set to false, so we don't have any bugs or anything. And we're gonna add another capsule, duplicate the main capsule and rename it to back. This looks pretty good. Okay, I like it. And of course you can make yours look much better than mine. I'm just gonna make it look like that. And select our first capsule, add a world constraint to it, set part 0 to be the capsule and part 1 to humanoidal part. Duplicate the world constraint, put it on back, and set the part 0 to back. Duplicate the world constraint again, put it on the glasses, and set part 0 to glasses. This should be working. Start your player. Okay, so this is working, except it's not really working. As you can see, our character is inverted. Okay, so drag it in the workspace again and rotate the capsule and the back and the glasses. Control R, and make the player's head transparent, transparency 1, and humanoid and upper torso, make it transparent 2, set the transparency to 1, and this should be it. And also I forgot to mention that you have to remove the face from the head. The two faces decal. And it should be working. As you can see, it's working. Looking good so far. Okay, so duplicate, no, we're gonna fix the colors. Enter our change color script, and then we're gonna create a second color. Copy this line of code, paste it, set this variable to color 2 instead of color, and then we're gonna write character, wait for child capsule dot color is equal to color character wait for child back dot color is equal to color 2, and character wait for child glasses dot color is equal to color 2. And as you can see, it gives it a really nice color. Let's try resetting our character. As you can see, it gives us a random color each time. Let's try resetting it again. Okay, so this is good. Add another script, which is going to exit it for now. Duplicate the starter character, drag it into workspace, remove body colors and humanoids, rename it to body, drag it in replicated storage, enter our script, rename it to drop body, and then write game.players.player added connect function, player.character added connect function, character dot humanoid dot died connect function. We're gonna create a variable for the body. Local body is equal to game dot replicated storage with child body clone. Okay, so body.parent is equal to workspace, body set primary part C frame, two closing brackets, and we're gonna write C frame dot character get primary part C frame multiplied by C frame dot from Euler angles XYZ 0, 0, 0. And also I forgot to add two closing brackets here is right next to the get primary part C frame. Copy this line of code, weight 0.1, or 0.2, and change this to 90. Let me verify this again. This should be it. And also go to players here and respawn time, set it to like 0.1. So this should drop a dead body when we die. As you can see, it dropped a dead body, and if I die again, it should drop another dead body. Okay, so let's try to make the dead body look like the player's body. So we're gonna write, let me think about this. Yeah, we're gonna create a variable for the color. Local color is equal to character, wait for child, no, character, square brackets, left foot, dot color, local color 2 is equal to character glasses dot color, and then we're gonna look through the body for I comma v in pairs body get children do if v dot name is not equal to glasses or v dot name is not equal to back, then v dot color is equal to color, and then we're gonna put an else v dot color is equal to color 2. Let's see if that works. It should be working. Let's reset our character. Firstly, look at this color. As you can see, purple and blue. Let's reset our character. And as you can see, the body that dropped is only blue. Let's try making it blue and purple instead of this else. Right, if v dot name is equal to glasses or v dot name is equal to back, then v dot color is equal to color 2. Green and blue. Let's reset our character, and it's only green. Why does it do that? This is weird. If v dot name is not equal to glasses or v dot name is not equal to back, then v dot color is equal to color. Let's try that first. Okay, so the first if statement is working. Let's just create another for loop, but instead of this line we're gonna write if v dot name is equal to glasses then v dot color is equal to color, and we're going to create another if statement. If v is equal to back, then v dot color is equal to color. This should be working. It's still not working. We don't have any errors on the output. Back color earth blue. For I, v in pairs body calling children do. If v dot name is equal to grasses, then color is equal. Oh, because we have to set it to color 2, not color. That was my bad. Okay, so as you can see, it's working. And if we reset our character again, our body should be green, light green, and dark green. Let me see if that works. Okay, so everything is working fine. Now we're gonna make the body, enter our body, make everything inside of it can collide, set it to true, and anchored to false. That should give it a better drop-in effect. Reset character. No, it didn't. Why does it do that? I mean, we can still push it, but it's not actually changing the rotation of the body. Let's just wait another 0.2 seconds and set this to 90 degrees again, and it should be working. Yeah, it worked. Well, not really. Why does it do that? Why would it do that? Let's just put everything not can collide besides the humanoid root part. Or we can just put the body up in the sky, then drag it to replicate the storage. This should work better now, I think. Nope. It's not any better. Let's just not make it can collide besides the humanoid part. Let's reset our character, and it fell, which is good. I just wanna see if in the normal glide, everything is set to true on the other one. Let's just delete the old body and duplicate the starter character and rename it to body. I think this should work better. And remove the humanoid and the body colors. It should work much better now. Yeah, it's working. So this is going to be, actually no. Let's just go to our endRound function and we're gonna loop through the workspace for I, v in pairs workspace get children. Do if v dot name is equal to body, then v destroy. So now when the round ends, it should delete all the bodies on the workspace. Let's wait for the round to end, and it deleted the body. Great. And as you can see, it should work again. Let's reset. And when the round ends again, it deletes the body. Great. So this is going to be it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.